Condensation polymers. These polymers are formed as a result of condensation of monomer units, which are differ and all have also same specific functional group. So these are formed by the condensation of monomer units with or without elimination of simple molecule like HCl, H2O, ammonia, etc. फर्स्ट हम लेंगे पॉलिस्टर्स, जिसमें एग्जांपल है टेरेलिन, जिसको हम डेक्रोन भी बोलते हैं. इसमें मोनोमर यूनिट है इथलीन, ग्लाइकोल और टेराथैलिक एसिड. दीज अंडरगो कंडेंसेशन पॉलीमराइजेशन at 420 to 460 Kelvin temperature and catalyst mixture zinc acetate and antimony trioxide to give additional product. These two combined again on repetition, these give टेरेलिन और डेक्रोन polymer. Properties: highly resistant to action of chemicals and biological agents. Its fibers are quite strong and durable. It can also be blended with wool and cotton to obtain fabrics of desired composition. Use: टेरेलिन used for making variety of clothes such as terry coat, terry wool, terry silk. In preparing magnetic recording tapes, conveyor belts, etc. Next is glypetal, in which monomer units are ethylene glycol and phthalic acid. Both undergo condensation polymerization to give glypetal. This is the monomer unit in glypetal. Properties: it is work like polymer. When dissolved in suitable organic solvent, the solution formed upon evaporation leaves a tough and non-flexible film, which is used for manufacturing of paints and liquids. It is also used for making building material, used for making asbestos and cement. Polyamides are those condensation polymers which have amide linkage present in their monomer unit. This is amide linkage UNH. Example: nylon 66 polymer, hexamethyl diamine, adipic acid. These both monomer units undergo condensation polymerization to give nylon 66. Properties: nylon 66 can cast into sheets and or fibers, having high tensile strength. Use: making bristles of toothpaste, sheets, cords, climbing ropes, socks, sweaters, when blended with wool. Next polymer is nylon 6. Here monomer unit is caprolactam. Caprolactam actually जब हम इसको हीट करते हैं 553 to 543 Kelvin टेम्परेचर with elimination of water molecule, ये देगा amino caporic acid. This is the monomer unit for nylon 6. तो monomer unit undergo condensation polymerization upon heating to give nylon 6 polymer. Caprolactam, amino caporic acid undergo polymerization to give nylon 6 polymer. Nylon 6 is hard and crystalline or solid in nature. It is used for making fabrics, ropes, tire cords, etc. Phenol formaldehyde resin polymers. So phenol and formaldehyde initially condense in presence of either acid or base. As a result, a mixture of ortho and para hydroxymethylphenol is formed. The molecules of ortho-hydroxymethylphenol combined or condense to form linear polymer, which is Navolac, or phenol and formaldehyde under acidic medium to give ortho and para products, ortho-hydroxy methylphenol or para-hydroxy methylphenol. If ortho-hydroxy paraphenol undergo polymerization to give linear polymer, also called Navolac. This is the linear polymer. अगर एक ही आइसोमर यानी कि ऑर्थोहाइड्रोक्सी मिथाइलफिनोल का यूनिट कंबाइंड होते हैं तो लीनियर पॉलीमर बनता है. अगर ऑर्थो और पैरा दोनों के मॉलिक्यूल्स कंबाइंड होते हैं अंडरगो पॉलीमराइजेशन टू गिव बेकेलाइट polymer bakelite. Linear polymer is used for making paints, or bakelite is used for making combs, handles for cooking utensils, electric goods, sockets, switches, plugs, etc. Bakelite is a cross-linked thermosetting polymer. Next polymer is melamine formaldehyde resin. It is copolymer formed by polymerization of melamine and formaldehyde, which give additional product. This undergo polymerization to give melamine polymer. This is the unit of melamine polymer. It is hard and tough. It is example of thermosetting polymer. Use for making crockery, like the cups, plates and other article made from it do not break easily on being dropped.